morning, babies. What is going on? What is going on? Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. We got a bell pepper for you. Come on, Spicy. Look, you see, Pumpkin's got his bell pepper. Toma. Spicy, esto es lo que hay. Come on. You need to eat your bell peppers. So spoiled. I'm not going to bring you a strawberry or anything. You don't eat your bell peppers. Okay? Good boy. Eat your bell peppers. Look, Pumpkin's already eating his bell pepper. Right, Pumpkincito? Yeah, Pumpkin loves his bell peppers. But Spicy, you already left it? Come on.